This is a very delicious, yet simple and easy to make French onion soup recipe. Start by melting half a stick of butter in a Dutch oven type pot. Add 2 large garlics chopped, 2 to 4 sliced onions depending on their size and your taste. Add a pinch of salt. You can use kosher or sea salt. Let simmer on medium for about 20 minutes or so while it turns golden brown, continuing to stir so it does not burn to the bottom of the pan. While the onions are caramelizing, add a can of beef broth to a pot and any beef bones you have. You can add celery, bay leaf, and other herbs as desired. Continue to occasionally stir the onions. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour to create a thickening roux. While your broth is simmering, you can deglaze the pot using sherry and white wine. You can do as much as you like here or as little. Stir and let simmer for about a minute. Then you can strain and add your broth into the pot carefully. It's optional to add pieces of rib meat that came off the bone. Once the soup simmers up to temperature, ladle into a heat-safe bowl and top with either a crostini, toast, croutons, and provolone cheese, and broil in your toaster oven till you have a delicious French onion soup, and then enjoy. Thank you for watching and subscribing.